Good morning. I have another little message for you today. I'm just going to do these randomly. I'm not going to have you guys expecting them every day, but just put them out every once in a while for you. I can't commit to something that I can't be sure that I'm going to not be able to follow through on. That was a lot of knots. I want to be, if I say I'm going to do something, I want to be able to follow through. So these are going to be random for now. Okay, so some of you may be trying to make a decision right now, and the universe is saying to make your decision, ask yourself which way brings you closer to your divine life purpose and which way takes you away from it. So even when what comes to mind is like, either you're going toward what resonates with you and what is authentic for you, or you're actually going backwards. Even if you think that you're still staying still, you're not. You're slipping backwards. So always be going forward, or at least not even forward, but always align yourself with what makes you happy and go forward with that. So one way that you can do that is quiet your mind, because your monkey mind will go crazy and cause you to go in all kinds of different directions and get distracted and try to use logic, and that's not gonna help you. So logic it's rarely helpful. I mean, I know our society teaches that it is, but it really ultimately, it's really rare that your mind can help you, but there are appropriate times to use your mind. But your gut and your instinct are what really lead you to success and happiness. So try to quiet your mind, meditate, or do something to really stay in the moment and out of your brain, and the answer will come to you. They said that which is for you will resonate with you. So it's not going to feel, it's just going to feel right. When you make a decision that's aligned with your life purpose, it brings relief. It makes you feel better. You're just like, oh, thank God. Okay. So maybe even imagine yourself already making the decision and how you would feel about it. Either way, imagine yourself making this decision, going fully into it, and how you would feel about it. Make that decision, see how you would feel about that. Go with the one that gives you relief and makes you feel a ton better. Not relief from having run away from something you're afraid of. Relief that's like, it sits right with you. It feels right. You know what I mean? So hope that helps you guys today, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye. Obviously, I can also help you make those decisions if you need my help. Spirit's like, offer your help with that. If you're like up against any kind of a major decision, of course, you can always reach out to me. You can do so. Most likely, it would be best if we met in person or over the phone or Zoom. So just look at my services, amysatori.com/services, and take a look at the remote readings or the in-person readings. And I'd be happy to help you out if you need it. All right, thanks. Bye.